The ongoing Ukrainian strategy of targeting Russian ammunition warehouses in recent weeks is tearing apart the Russian offensive strategy. Explosions lit up the night sky last night as Ukrainian forces destroyed yet another Russian ammunition depot. The goal of Ukrainian defenders is to deprive the Russian forces of the valuable ordnance they need to continue to carry out their invasion. The images were obtained from the Chernihiv Regional Territorial Center for Recruitment and Social Support on Monday, along with a statement saying, Ukrainian troops struck another blow at the warehouses of the occupiers. This time, enemy shells detonated in Kadiivka, Stakhanov district, which is temporarily controlled by Russian terrorists and their terrorist quasi-organization, the Luhansk People's Republic. President Volodymyr Zelensky has dismissed Ukraine's head of the security service and its prosecutor general, saying that over 60 of their employees have been working against the country in territories currently occupied by Russia. Ukrainian military officials have said that Russia is preparing the next stage of its invasion after Moscow said that its forces in Ukraine will increase military activities in all operational areas. Ukraine has said that Russia appears to be preparing its units for an attack on the city of Sloviansk in the eastern region of Donetsk. The British Ministry of Defense has said that Russia is also reinforcing its defensive military positions in areas that it currently occupies in southern Ukraine. Russia has used the private military company Wagner to reinforce frontline forces and to mitigate manning shortfalls and casualties. The head of Wagner, Russian oligarch Yevgeny Prigozhin, has recently been made a hero of the Russian Federation for Wagner's performance in Luhansk. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.